The following message is transmitted at the request of the Oregon State Police Department, including the Oregon Emergency Management. At 4:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a Russian plane has been detected over Asia and is currently heading towards the extreme west coast of the United States. At this time, a nuclear attack on a major West Coast city may be imminent. All residents are advised to be aware of the situation. Please stand by the local news media outlets on this developing situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Oregon State Police Department, including the Oregon Emergency Management. At 4:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a Russian plane has been detected over Asia. It is expected to enter the Portland area around 2 hours. Due to the possibility of a nuclear attack, the Oregon Governor's Office wants all residents to evacuate the city of Portland immediately. Residents should follow evacuation routes that will be leading people to fallout shelters outside of the city, or leave the city limits by at least 20 miles. Make sure you have food, water, and a radio with you. This evacuation order is in effect until further notice. The state of Oregon is now under martial law. Please stand by for further information. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Oregon State Police Department, including the Oregon Emergency Management. The Russian plane has just entered the state of Oregon and is expected to bomb the city of Portland in about 10 minutes. If you are remaining in the city of Portland, take shelter now. There is not enough time to evacuate. If you are at home, close all windows, doors, curtains, and shades. Turn off stoves and batten down fires. Get on the lowest floor of your home in an interior room, such as a closet or bathroom away from windows. In a basement or cellar if possible. If you are in a tall building or apartment, get on the lowest floor in a hallway. If you are on the streets, get inside the nearest building on the lowest floor away from windows. Please stand by for further information. We interrupt this program. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. At 7:42 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a Russian plane dropped a nuclear bomb on Portland, Oregon. The explosion caused radioactivity to spread at least 300 miles away. If you live within this area, seek out a fallout shelter immediately. Fallout is a product of nuclear attacks. Prolonged exposure will result in certain death. Make sure you have food, water, first aid kit, and a battery-operated radio with you. Do not exit your shelter until authorities give the all-clear. Tune to 77 AM to get important information while you're staying in the fallout shelter. The President will be speaking on all stations shortly. Stand by for this message. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular program at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air, providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This station will continue to serve the Oregon area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Oregon area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated.